It's called our video camera, but oh well. Oh, it is up, isn't it? There you go.
Yes. What is it?
I'm not gonna get video anyway. I think our battery's dead anyway.
Can you not get it?
That's pretty good, because I'm not.
Yeah, what's this thing?
I tried calling you a couple times just to see if you charged this battery.
Oh, Rex.
It's like you need to see this thing. We start playing with it, and I'm like, done.
See what it does? What does it do?
Squeeze it. Push battery after it does PT.
Listen, Landon.
Is that Nito?
Did you see that?
Do it again.
It's okay. It's okay, buddy.
Right, okay. Come here, you do it. You do it.
Come here, Simon. Come here. Here, I'll do it. I'll do it with you, okay?
Squeeze it.
Look.
You squeeze it.
It's okay, watch.
Once he figures out it's not your You squeeze it.
I got you. Let him
squeeze it.
Landon, you want to squeeze it? You squeeze it. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. Come squeeze with me. Squeeze it.
It makes noise when you squeeze it. Cool.
Hey.
Rex. You know Rex.
It's okay. Okay, he's scared of Rex right now.
He'll
He'll
figure it out.
open up to him. He's like, wow.
Some flying books and stuff.
Huh? It's just,
Did you see this
it's okay,
other
here.
stuff?
Move him out of the way. Now, go.
Colors. Colors. A bunch of colors. A bunch of colors. You only have like 6 colors. This is a whole bunch more than that.
Is that the sign of approval right there when you hold it up and shake it?
What is that? Oh,
SpongeBob. That's just like your placemat.
it's a color.
Oh. He's like, he has no time to look at things. He has to go to the next item. No
It's a
patience.
color. Buzz.
Buzz.
Cars.
Cars. Look at that. Who's that? Okay, Landon, point to Mater. Point to Mater. He's not doing it.
No.
He knows them all.
Isn't
He
it?
can point to them all. He just doesn't
Oh,
always
yeah.
say it.
Watch it twice a day.
No, he's always watching that movie. That's why it's on now.
I didn't know this.
Here's your car.
It's his favorite.
Is it?
Oh yeah. He always goes, Cars,
There are 2 more
Cars.
things.
You done? He's gonna dive in the bag in a minute. We'll watch it fall on his head.
It's chalk.
Oh,
Okay.
chalk.
Chalk. Perfect.
Yeah.
Just like outside. Whoa, careful, 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 careful. Getting crazy, getting crazy.
Did you hear that? Open it.
Okay.
Choke those down. Here, buddy. Get it, get it, get it. There you go. Open it back up. Whoa, careful, bro.
Yes.
Is this far as you're gonna be?
Whoa. Hey, which one's Mater?
Whoa.
Which one's Mater?
Yes.
Okay. So you can open it. Landon, which one's Mater?
Say thank you. Yes.
Which one's McQueen?
Yes.
Like
No,
it.
we can't say thank you. So that was
Yes! That's his thank you. Yes! Shiny, I roar.
She just
Okay, it's
spit
okay.
up all over your hand.
He's not gonna get you, buddy.
not